Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a Scratch tutorial and I'll be showing you how to basically just make this snake game. And yeah, let's get into it. Right, first you want to make this little character here. Basically this is just what I've made. You can make it look whatever you want. Basically this is probably the best. Maybe have some white eyes or whatever, something like that. And after you've done that, you're gonna start off by going to events. Yeah, when flag is clicked, you then want to go to looks, grab set size to. You want to put it to about 50. I'll put it at 7, and then yeah, I'd say that's around perfect. Wait a minute. Just realised there's a white dot. Oh, oops. There's a white dot somewhere, so I'm just gonna rub that out. There we go. And now, after that, you're gonna go. Go set. Well, you'll make a variable and have speed and make speed. You're then gonna take it off so you can't see it on the screen. You go set my variable, change that to speed, and go 2, 7. Right, next you want to go to motion and go like that. You now want to grab another when flag is clicked. Now you want to grab this again. And you want to make a clone duration in variable, so just put in there we go. Just take it off and then go set clone duration to 0.5. You now want to go to control and grab forever. You then want to grab, wait a minute, create clone of myself, then get another when flag is clicked. Also I'll zoom out a bit. There. Another when flag is clicked, then you're gonna need a forever and go wait. Right, and then you go if, and you're gonna need 1. So I'm just counting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna need 5 of these. Just gonna put them one underneath each other for now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Then you want to go to here. You're gonna go key, and for the first one, put up arrow, and then go to right motion. Go. Sorry, it's been a while since I've actually done this, so I'm a bit. I'm not the best at the moment, as you may be able to tell. But now, right, so that's like that. You now want to just grab all of these, really. Oh, no, sorry, not them. Just grab all of these. And then put them, wait. Get rid of that. So you need 4. And then you go up, down, right, and left. You now need to grab all of these. So 1, 2, 3. You then want to go for the bottom one, which actually, sorry, I've got this wrong. For this one, you want to be 180. For this one, you want, well, that's fine. Don't mess with that. You then want to have minus for this. So minus 190. 90. And then it should like just turn, you see. It's a bit scruff at the moment. Right, next you want to go grab that. You then want to go to motion and then grab this. Shove that in there and shove it there. There we go. It now moves. So you want to go control and go when I start as clone. Just make some space down here. You go when I start as clone. You need to then have a. So you're gonna grab a weight. 1 second. You're then gonna grab from here your clone duration and shove it in there. You now wanna have a. Well, delete this clone. Then go to here. When flag is clicked, go to looks. Then go show. Oops, show. You now want to go. Oops. When flag is clicked, forever. If. And then grab touching. Oops. Edge. You want to go to looks. Grab hide. And go. Right, now this is where you're gonna need a screen, like a game over screen. So I'm just gonna get one up quickly. Alright, you now want to go into here, or choose a sprite, and go to upload sprite. You now want to grab the one that you've just, well, the one that you want, and then with this, basically, just get it the right size, or you could just go. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. You're gonna have to grab. Let me see. Just this and put 0, 0. If it ain't already, and then all you gotta do is you grab a hide. So here, you then grab a set color effect and change it to, wait a minute, you change it to ghost effect to 0, and then grab, oops, when I receive, and then, well, oops, sorry, I just hit my microphone there. Alright, now you want to go back to your green dude. You want to then go here again, and you're going to go broadcast, and then you're going to go new message, call it game over. You now want to go back to this guy and go when I receive game over. You now basically all you got to do is go looks, grab show, and then go repeat 20 times. Well, repeat 20. Then go change ghost effect by -5. There we go. So now, if it goes into the wall, there we go. It's a bit nicer now. Yay. Right, it's starting to come together now, you see. You now want to make another sprite. And this one's gonna you want to paint this one. It's gonna be a nice, easy one. It's gonna be red. It's gonna be like a little box. This little box looks big right now. Well, until I go right. So now we go events. When flag's clicked, you go to random. There. That's basically now means when you press it, it'll go to a random position. You also want to make in variables. You want to make another one, and it's going to be apples. Right, you now want to take it off. You want to go set apples to. Just have to duplicate that quickly. Oh, I've screwed that. Right, clean up blocks. So now, basically, when you'll see, you'll see, and then get rid of that. Now I want to grab a forever, and then a if, and then put if touching sprite 1. You then want to go change apples by 1 and go change you want to go change clone duration by 0.2. And now all I want to do is go into looks. That took me a while for some reason. Go here and go set size to 25%. That should bring it down. Yeah, that's about perfect. That's about perfect, I'd say. You could have it smaller if you want. Yeah. So yeah, basically this is the apple. If you've played the Snake game before, you'll know what I mean by apple. Oof. But yeah, basically you just gotta get this apple, and then basically you'll end up growing. And now I've broke the game. Alright, you now want to go when flags clicked. So just grab that and go show. Just clean up a bit and go like the snake. You want to go when I receive game over, forever hide. Alright, here you want to also go to random position. Now it'll go like that. You see? Apples in variables, go put it on. You can just do that if you want. This should now be a full-on game. But yeah, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, bye.